to the channel. Today we're at the Frost Museum of Science in Miami. I'm coming to you from the parking garage so you can see lots of parking. It's a flat rate, currently $18. No cash, and I think you have to have a physical card, as in no tap and pay, so just be aware of that. So this is my first time to the museum. Here we go. We got our tickets at the membership window because we had to, because we're military and we get in for free, so there's that. But you can get tickets at either place. I believe admission also includes a show, so pay attention to that schedule and where you are, because it's confusing. The whole place is confusing. Here's the kind of confusing thing about this museum. It is 5 or 6 stories high. It's like indoor, outdoor. And it's like really tall, it's not wide, so like every level's different. So you really have to pay attention to the map. Our strategy was to start at the top and work our way down, especially with the weather not holding. We were unsure of how the indoor-outdoor stuff would work because it did actually end up raining. So we started here first. The aquatic stuff up on the top floor is very cool. That's where the hands-on areas are, and you can go and find the stingrays and pet them. They have a whole setup here to do this. They also have hand washing stations, so don't be too worried if you get wet or you're touching the stingrays. You can go wash up afterwards. While you're up here, definitely check out the view. It's beautiful to go look around Miami. And like I said, the stingrays are it for my kids. It was very hard to get them to go look at other things. But there's also an AV area up here, which is cool. If you can get your kiddos to go check it out, check it out. If not, at least you can see the birds through all of the fencing before you head off to go see all of the rest of this area. Okay, next up, the shark tank. And if I'm not mistaken, you see the shark tank from the regular view down below. So there's not a lot to see up here, but you see it from the floor below. Lots of cool educational stuff. Again, I don't think there's a whole lot to see. Very pretty views though. Look at these views behind us. Our stairs. You can take your stairs down. Okay, those stairs actually bring you inside now to the central area. I will say that it's very cool to see the tanks from the inside and have these other perspectives. It does get very crowded at the windows, and honestly it starts to feel a little bit repetitive. He's huge. Julia, he's like bigger than you.
I don't know if I'd want to.
He's pretty cool.
I don't like him, but you know.
Ooh, there he goes. There's Goliath. Now like airplanes, we're done with the sea life. So they've got space stuff, airplanes. I'm gonna go catch up with my kids. Sitting break, sound good?
I didn't fit.
Okay, some of the people are gone, so this is cool. This is a mosaic out front when you come in, and this is like that central area where all of the aquarium is, and then you come out. There's some exhibits out on the sides, and then restrooms and water, which is really nice for our water drinkers, our restroom stuff. It's a really interesting, so like, because it's like indoor, outdoor, so this is glass. I'm actually interested to see, because it was raining and we're like mid-afternoon when the weather's gonna hit bad again. I'm interested to see like how you stay dry or what happens when the rain comes. Because like I said, this part is glass right here, but not everything is covered. So like you are still exposed to the elements. I'm assuming you just would stay in the central hub or this outside arm. Anyway, we left the wings of the feather. There was like a weird perfume smell. Can't even. Ooh, we're sticky. We're starting to get warm and sweaty. So far, so good? Yeah. So 100% to my children's credit, it is 12:30. They have not had lunch. We're gonna skip floor 2 for now, and we're gonna go get food, which is on floor 1. So here we are heading down in the elevator again, and then we will pick back up on the adventure. Oh, it's like real food. Okay. Restaurant. Entree and a drink for 5 of us. $125. Woo! That grilled cheese. And you got a cheeseburger. And another cheeseburger. I heard the mac and cheese was fire. It's like real. You also have grilled cheese or mac and cheese. We got a quesadilla over here, yeah. Comes with sides. Looks good. Somebody got fries, I don't know who. And boom, a arepa for me. It looks amazing. Look at that. Cool. For a nice post-lunch walk, we just came right down the stairs into like this gardeny terrace area. The really cool thing about it is it has all of these art statues. So it's cool because you can see it from the street. This is like part of the street, but you can walk back up into the museum behind you when you're done. So the museum's right behind me. You just walk down those stairs. And that's why you have your bracelets on, because you've officially technically exited, even though you're still kind of like on property. Okay, so this is like a full-blown art exhibit going way all the way down to the water. I don't know if we're gonna go all the way down. They're like running. I need to stop them because there's the museum all the way back there, like back by that group of people. So I think we're gonna go back. Once I finally rounded up the kids, we made it to what I think is the best part of the museum. It's the first and second floor. This is where you can see what we saw earlier from above was that giant aquarium tank, but now you see it from the underside. The fish displays here were absolutely stunning. So this was a great part because you just really got to see the big openness of it all, as well as all the really cool sea creatures that you were hoping you could have seen from the top that you didn't. Now, this whole ocean area has a lot of very cool exhibits around it. So if you're not into just seeing the fish, you can see the other things that they have, the other kinds of displays. There's also a really cool interactive floor display that the kids went wild over. You'll see it here in a second. Then the moment that they were all waiting for, we finally made it up to the second floor to go see the giant fish tank from underneath. It was very cool. We could have stayed there for a very long time. We probably did too, probably like 20 minutes. They love sitting there. We moved through the other displays. Again, very cool. And this felt way less chaotic than the third floor, I think, was where the other indoor aquarium area was. So this was probably our favorite part, hands down. When we were done there, we went into the AI exhibit. I don't know if this is a permanent exhibit. If you kind of look around, it looks like maybe it's a temporary exhibit based off of the structures, but it was very cool. Definitely go inside, go walk around, see the different kinds of exhibits. They started with some more ancient, I guess, or older history, and then they moved into more technological history of different algorithms and AI type stuff. So it was great. It was a nice way to end our day at the Science Museum, and at this point we were ready to go. Okay, so all in all, first of all, we're skipping the store. I'm not going there with 4 kids, no way. But all in all, we liked it. It was a good time. I'm glad we got in for free. I don't know that I would pay $25 a person to come. Or it was about that. Obviously, the food was pricey, but I mean, I had to feed the kids. We also overbought, so we have extra food we're taking with us. There is a smell. I don't know if it's like a cleaning agent that is in these side buildings. So if you look behind me, the side ones, not the center area. It's like making me sick. It's like old lady perfume smell. No offense. So I think that's it from us. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. We'll see you on our next adventure.